So when I used to have my rooftop tent, I had a lantern that I would hang pretty much everywhere. I had different adjustable bases for it. And honestly, it was a pain because I would lose the bases, I'd lose the lanterns, they wouldn't be charged. So I wanted to develop a system where I didn't have to worry about light at camp. So this is where our lighting and 12-volt system came from. We have a light bar that illuminates the bed of your truck. It's pretty awesome, it's pretty bright. Then we also have a light bar that is built into the tent portion. This here is what we're calling Juice Box. It's an unreleased product, which is basically a wireless switch box. So I could actually get out my phone, open up my app, connect to the Juice Box, and be able to switch things on and off as needed. So this is still in development, but the lighting and 12-volt kit will get you both of these lights and also get you 12-volt wiring throughout. So if you want to choose the vent fan option, you need to have this kit so that we can get wiring up to it so that we can power it. And right now, all the wires are just completely exposed. It's kind of a mess on our prototype. In production, they're gonna be run throughout the extrudes, and then you will have kind of a port panel where you have access to each of the different channels for the tailgate light, for the overhead light, for the roof vent fan. We'll also have a USB charger there, along with a cigarette port. So if you have a 12-volt accessory you want to use, you can use that as well. All that will be a cool little control panel in the bed of the camper.